We are going to source together once again. It's the third day of the 10-day challenge on which I am going to source every single day using the tool that I developed for storefront stalking, which is called Arbitrage Stalker. If you do not know it, Arbitrage Stalker is a tool helping you do storefront stalking by tracking storefronts and sending you a notification whenever those storefronts actually add a new lead to their store. So day 3 days in a row, we're going to keep working with Arbitrage Stalker, see if we can actually find profitable inventory with Arbitrage Stalker once again on day 3, just by tracking not even 10 storefronts. If you remember, and if you don't, you're going to, and I haven't even logged in to that specific, let me just bring this here. Let's not make this complicated. Let's bring it here. Okay, I can do it. Okay, whatever. Let's bring it right there. Okay, so we're going to be able to look at Discord together. Okay, so if you do not know, we do have a Discord server, but it's not the one that we're going to use. I'm going to use the one that I use for this demo. Okay, that is on a specific Discord server that I use just for the purpose of this demo. All right, so let's start sourcing. So we're going to source on the same exact monitor, and I just want to make sure that OBS is right there. Here we go. We're going to source on the same exact, and my chair is getting lower and lower as I talk, and soon you won't even see me anymore. I should maybe bring this camera down a little. Here we go. So at least you'll keep seeing me. All right. Let's start. Okay. So in the replan since yesterday, we've had a couple of products that were added, okay, with Nature Meat. We still have not, I need to check if I actually set this monitor correctly. I'll check off camera. By the way, I don't know if we'll make an episode tomorrow. Tomorrow might be another video because I'm traveling tomorrow, so I may not have time, except if I have time to shoot this video at the airport. I doubt it, if we're being 100% honest. So it might be another video that I'm going to shoot right now. Okay, so just know we might take a small break, but we're still going to do 10 days from this channel, from this challenge. All right, so let's keep going. Let's start actually. Okay, let's look at the replans. We have a couple of products, and you know what? Let's check how many products we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, we have a ton of products that were added. Oh, no. There are some products from the other day, actually. Here we go. But let's check if we actually have products that were added today. Let's check. Let's check this out. Let's scroll down. We actually saw this. This is the last one that we saw yesterday, I think. Maybe it was not this colorway. Or maybe it was, but we saw these today. We saw these yesterday. So we're going to check these out. Should we check the new tab? Okay, let's mark everything as read because we have a ton of new products since yesterday. Let's start, okay? So we have the D3. We checked this one, right? I think we did. And if this ends up being profitable, it's actually crazy because this is going to be the first product that we check. And if it is, I mean, it would be super easy. Like it would be like, if it's the first product, the video is going to be super short. And I mean, it's actually better. Like if I'm being honest. So it's the 5000 IU, 125 milligram, 180 soft gel. Is it this one? Yes, it is. We need to get it under $12. Okay, it looks like we're not going to be able to get it at this price. Yeah, we need it to be buy one get one free, and even then, wait. Let me actually check this lead. Let's see. And I really don't want to fail. I actually want to find one product every single day doing this method, at least one product. I want to see if it's really selling at 23. I'm pretty sure that it has been selling for more than that. Let me check. No, it's actually selling at 23. Someone is selling at $26.99. At $26.99, you will need to get this at 14 something, so you get it at 15. It can actually work. it can actually work when it's under the buy one get one free promotion, but we're still going to check. We get this at 31.99 divided by 2, we get it at 15.98. 15.99 or whatever, 99.5. So let's call it 16, right? Let's call it 16. If we get the 25% coupon, we get the 9.8 gift cards. I forgot, I think this is what the gift card was. And we get 2% right there, 2% right there. We get this at 11.62, so it would work. So it would work. If we get it by with the buy one get one free promotion, it will work. I forgot if it's the exact cost for the gift card, but whatever. So we know that when there's the buy one get one promotion, this is one of the lead that we want to look for, right? This one, this exact one. Even with the 50, because 25 is the welcome 25 is the welcome coupon. Even at 15%, it would still work. So that's great. That's great. But let's move to an experiment, because I want to find something that you can potentially buy today. And we're 6 minutes deep in the video, and I talked a lot, and we already have some success. But let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's get back to Discord and let's try to find another lead. Okay, Head and Shoulders. Let's see. It's going to come. Don't worry about it, because I'm on a VPN, so it's doing weird stuff like this. Okay, what price do we need to get this for? Okay, the sales rank is too high. I don't want to deal with that. And the price is too low. Like, what the fuck? I'm not going to buy this. I would never buy this. Let's keep going. Let's look at the rank, which is showing up right there. A lot of super high rank products that we are going to skip in the new products that have been added lately. 200. I see a ton of 200 sales rank. 157. It's not too bad. This is not too bad if you can find it profitably. Let's check. IP alert. I'm still, oh, it's Optimum Nutrition. Oh, Optimum Nutrition does IP? Yeah, but it's listed under a weird brand. Like, this is weird. I don't know. I've sold Optimum Nutrition without any issues in the past. Have I sold a ton of them? No, but I did sell a few. Let me just check. But yeah, but somebody created his own listing with this brand Xeles. It's not listed under Optimal Nutrition, so I would stay away from that. But let me just check the wild berry flavor. Yeah, you can 100% make it profitable. 100% you can make it profitable. You can 25, but you can get it on other website. But if you get it here at $27.99, it's actually profitable. So we do not even need to manufacture your margin on this one. It's actually going to be profitable at this price. No. Do you want to jump on this listing? Probably not, because this guy is doing some shady stuff. He's listing, so Xeles, whatever, is listing this product under his own brand. Do not do that. Amazon is going to fuck you up. Okay, and so he's doing that so he can IP people that jump on this listing, so he can reduce the competition, right? So because of that, I would not personally jump on this listing, but if you want to take the risk, by all means, do whatever you want, okay? But that's already one profitable lead, okay? This for 82, let's look at it. This for 82, yeah, I mean, okay, yeah, we can make it profitable. We can buy it from Coles and make it profitable if it's the same. If it's at 69, we need to find it under 46. We 100% can make it profitable. We have a 15% coupon. Let's work with that. So we can get 7% gift cards. I know, because I sourced from Coles. I actually bought one. A 7% gift card from Coles. I'm going to put this as 0%. We can actually get 9% with arbitrage card. Let's check quickly, and this is going to be our winner. I want to make sure it's the same. If it's the same, this is going to be our winner, more than likely. Yeah, this is going to be our winner. So I don't know if it does have the storage bag. If it doesn't, well, I guess it does in the packaging. I'm not sure, but we're going to figure it out. Okay, so Let's see what type of gift card we can get. And once again, you need to do this stuff to manufacture your margins every single time you're sourcing, okay? It's 99% of what you're doing. So, okay, so you can get 7% gift cards. If you do ACH, you can get 10% gift cards, okay, at Kohl's. So this is what we're gonna do. 10% gift cards, here we go. What does the cashback looks like? 7%, I forgot the name of this extension, I'm not even using it. But you can get 7% here, 2% here, 2% here, so let's use 7%. Let's use 7% cashback here. And once again, you do not need to do that if you manufacture your margins. You do not need to use the cashback for the purpose, but for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to do it. And the coupon, we have 15%, and we do get this at $69.99, okay? And you can manufacture your margins further. You can manufacture your margins further with Kohl's, okay? Should I show you how? I don't know if I should, but like, just to be honest, you get 5% rewards, okay? And actually today, let me see, 40% off, what is this? Yeah, whatever. You can manufacture your margins further on Kohl's, okay? I don't know if I'm going to show you how. I don't know if I should. But you get this for $50.63, okay? You get this for $50.63 before manufacturing your margins further, okay? And so, let me see. Yeah, we're going to sell this, not at this price, but we're going to sell it at 78. Let's call it 78. 78.99. And how deep are we in the video? So I know if I can show you. We are 12 minutes deep, okay? Most people are not watching anymore, so I'll show you how to manufacture a margin. So you can get Kohl's Cash, okay? If you want to use the Kohl's Cash, you earn $10 Kohl's Cash for every $50 spent, okay? So it means that we're gonna get $10 in Kohl's Cash. So first of all, we're gonna get 5% Kohl's rewards, okay? So we can bump this up to 20%, okay? It's going to give us the same thing. So we get this at $47.72. Then we get $10 Kohl's Cash, okay? For every single $50 that we spend, all right? So one item is going to be more than that, all right? But one item, one unit is going to be 69. Okay, so we can shave $10 out of the price of the final price that we get right there, which is going to be we'll get these around 37 something. Okay, after manufacturing our margins, let's call it 38. Okay, and if you really want to dig on how to manufacture your margins on Kohl's, that's easy. Just use the Kohl's Cash, Kohl's Reward. Just you'll figure it out, okay? But you get this for like around $38 after everything. And so it's a 50% return on investment. Even if you sell it at 71, here we go. Even if you sell it at 71 at its lowest when it's FBM, if you match FBM price, you'll be good. Sometimes, yeah, people do dumb stuff, like Utopia distributors. But with Q4 coming, you should be good with this lead, all right? So 13 minutes. One more lead, two more leads actually. You see how easy it is. It's a no-brainer. Get Arbitrage Stalker. That's it. For all your spending, get Arbitrage Stalker. It's going to make your life 10 times easier. All right? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Bye-bye.